that they are. So, with your permission, I'd like to spend 2 minutes. So, number one is that, Miru, what you said is absolutely correct, because we have seen over the last so many years people who have to, pawn their wife's jewelry and sell their land to afford healthcare. And that pains us most because we see it first. And so it was for that reason that we studied the global systems, and we came up with a recommendation almost 30 years ago that only through health insurance can you cover the population. And I remember very well, on July 8th, which was Rajshekar Reddy Garu's birthday, we went and explained the scheme to him of health insurance, and he immediately picked it up. So Arogya Shri was born in those days. Andhra, Telangana were the first states to introduce this holistic health insurance scheme, which we had test piloted first in our own village of 7,000 people, then with the police force, with Arogya Bhadrata, and then came to our Yashashwini in Karnataka, and then in Andhra. So insurance is the single way for us to be able to afford healthcare for all our population. And in that, we need to ensure that we don't do tokenism. We have to cover adequately. We have to partner appropriately with the hospitals. Miru, when you kind of ask the corporate hospital or the for-profit hospitals, they will do a certain amount, but we have to re-engineer the system. So the first aspect of system re-engineering is universal health coverage through insurance. The second aspect, actually, Meer Cheppina Mata, that is Saroja Devi Garu, that's what you mentioned, which is keeping people healthy, preventive healthcare. So we have a dedicated department for prevention, and I request the media to please take this also. Dr. Prasadra, with your permission, we will start a health checkup and positive health department in this hospital, in this room, so that we can help to keep people healthy. So that is a very important aspect, because we not only have to treat the disease and be able to afford the cost of that, but it is estimated by the World Economic Forum that the cost of non-communicable disease will be over $3 trillion. That is it is more than the current GDP of the country. That is the cost which will happen by 2050. So we need to completely transform the way people stay healthy to bring down the burden of disease. And finally, when we find a problem, our hope is that today when our doctors are doing their angioplasties and angiographies, etc., typically you have 2, 3, 4, 5 vessels blocked. The question they ask in their mind is, where was this patient when his first vessel got blocked? When you see a patient with cancer in stage 3 and stage 4, you want to know, why couldn't we find this in stage 1? Because then we can treat it cost effectively, less pain, less expenditure, and keep this patient alive. So health screening and positive health is really the way of the future. So I request everybody to please focus on that. While we will continue to treat and cure and bring the most advanced, we also must parallelly focus on health prevention and a better insurance scheme. Meeru last point, meedi Basti Davakana annar kada. One of the models for Basti Davakana we did in Andhra, 170 primary healthcare centers we run for the Andhra government. So there everything from telemedicine to keeping the bathroom clean to outpatient with doctors and medicine. This the government pays for, but we do it on a no profit, no loss basis. When we took it over, we used to see 7 patients per day. Today the average is 40 patients per day in a small OPD. So we can re-engineer that only, so that we change the structure. So design and overall population health is truly the solution, because you cannot treat 1 billion people through CSR. Adi kaadu. So we have to find a new system, and we're very happy to do it together. We are committed to the health and the well-being of the population in our country. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sangeeta Reddy Garu, for sharing your valuable solutions with us. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's begin with the felicitation ceremony. May I request Dr. Sangeeta Reddy Garu to felicitate our chief guest, Srimati Gadwala Vijay Lakshmi Garu.
फोटोग्राफर साइड को दिया
that honor, ma'am. I would again like to request you to please felicitate Mr. Anurag Sharma Garu.
Please come.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for doing us that honor. May I now request Dr. Prasad Rao Garu to please felicitate Dr. Sangeeta Reddy Garu.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for doing us that honors. May I now request Mr. Srinivas Reddy Garu to please felicitate Ms. Ketineni Sarla Garu, Corporator, Amirpet. Thank you so much, sir, for doing us that honor.
Sharatana?